Just bought this from Uniqlo Japan. Only 200 yen. It is actually timer for kitchen, but it has 4 different types of function. That is alarm, timer, time and temperature. And we cannot change that function by only just flipping it. For example, I'll show you. Right now it's showing the time. It is in 20th April 2019, Saturday. And when I flip it or turn it like to the left, it will change to temperature automatically. And one more time, change to timer. Set 5 seconds. That. Then you can just turn it off. Then it also can be function as alarm setting, and then back to time. It's only cost 200 yen in Japan. You can get this kind of function. Really cool, man. Nice.